Hi everyone! Thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Bear Mix Bujo over at Instagram. Today, I'll be setting up my March spreads in my altered book bullet journal. So I'll be using this page from Graphic 45 from the Time to Flourish collection. I just got the March page and I was really inspired by the colors that we have here, which is green and purple. So that's what I'm going to be working with. I took a bunch of ephemera brush pens as well as washi stickers that have the same color, and here I'm showing you the papers that I'll be using for this month. I got the Garden Goddess collection from Shabby Dabby Duda, and I also got the Shabby Purple Floral collection digikit from Chapter 1 papers. And then I also, of course, have the March ledger paper from Ruby and Pearl XO Heather's digikit. So I'm using that. I used the same collection for January, February, and then I'm using the same one for March. So I'll be using a bunch of the ephemera that's included in the graphic 45 page. And what I'm doing here is just cutting the bits that I'll be using in my front cover. So I'll be setting up my cover page, my monthly page, my tracker, gratitude page, as well as brain dump, and the first week for March. But I think the only one that I recorded is the cover page since I used the same format as the previous month. So I'll just be showing you the end pages after I set up the cover page. So I'll turn you over to the video and turn on some music, and then I'll come back to explain the different spreads at the end.
Follow White Rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Watch me grow taller. Yeah, Rabbit's watches in his pocket. Yeah, he stays late, but he leads me so I follow. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever get back. Follow White Rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Chatter with the flowers. Watch the seconds turn to hours. It's time for high tea. Madmen in hats and cats up in the trees. Wandering around in Wonderland, wondering how or if I'll ever